How to fix Facebook Marketplace not showing. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I will be teaching you how you can fix Facebook Marketplace not showing. So before we begin, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified whenever we release a new video. Now let's jump right in. To fix your Facebook Marketplace not showing, first locate your Facebook app. Make sure that your app is up to date to the latest version. After you've done that, you can then open up your Facebook. Make sure you're logged in into your account. Then go to Menu, that is the three lines with your profile icon on the top right corner. And after you're on your menu, go to Settings. After on your Settings and Privacy, you can then find your Preferences section. And under the Preferences section, tap on Tab Bar. After you tap on Tab Bar, tap on Customize the bar. And from here, make sure that you have pinned Marketplace. Now, if you haven't, it's going to look something like this. So all you now have to do is find the Marketplace option. Tap on the Hidden option or the Auto option. Then tap on Pin. After you do that, now it will be available in your profile. Now if you head back to your home, you'll find the Marketplace right here. And that's how easy it is. So if that does not work, there might be some general issues. First, as I mentioned before, try updating the app. If that does not work, clear out the app's cache. For that, you can long press on your app, tap on the app info option, then you should be on the app info. Tap on storage and cache, and there you'll find clear cache and clear storage option. Tap on clear cache and clear out your cache. After you've cleared out the cache, you can then restart and refresh. Then also make sure that you've checked your internet connection, and if you're using a browser, make sure that there isn't any extension that is affecting or interfering with the site. And yeah, that's basically it. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye-bye.